Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this training video I will pay maximum attention how to change the shape of the nail. So we need to remove the old nail design and sculpt the long stiletto nails. I'm using the best barrel gel bit, which is useful for quick gel removal, which is removing the gel like a butter. I suggest you to try this one and you will see that this drill bit is really game changer. This drill bit is available now on shapeofnail.com for about $6 and free shipping. As you know guys, one of the most important things in nail works is preparing nails perfectly. I mean, when you are removing the pterygia, you should use the high quality diamond drill bit, and I think that this one is suitable for any type of nail plate. For example, you can always use the short diamond flame drill bit with a medium processing with short nails, and also you can use it with long nail plate. What tool to choose for removing the dead skin and cuticles? It depends on nail technician. Some of you prefer nippers, but some of you prefer scissors. When I was starting my career, I was using only nippers because we didn't have such high quality scissors in internet shops, and I couldn't find them to try. But we had good nippers from high alloy steel, and I trained my hand with this tool. After I tried different types of nippers and scissors, and now I understand that it depends on nail technician. I mean, what kind of tool to choose, because some nail masters can use nippers and they do miracles, but some of nail masters can easily work with scissors. For primering nails, I'm always using the gel primer. I actually don't use now acid primers because of sometimes it causes allergic reactions, but the blonder or gel primer, which I'm using now, this one from shapeofnail.com, this one works like the double-sided scotch tape and never causes allergy. You should apply it with thin layer, but sometimes, especially for my wife, we apply it 2 times and cure it in LED lamp. This is my small secret, and this protects from liftings we never have liftings after two times of primering of the gel primer from shapeofnail.com. This is the great tip. I think if you try it, your works will level up, will step up, and it would be better. Of course, the Sculpting mix gel is the great secret. Unfortunately, now we have the small amount of gel, I mean small containers, in the shop where I order products. But soon there will be large containers over than 60 milliliters. It's very easy to work with such big amount of product, and of course you can sculpt any type of nail, arch nails, curved nails, any type of the shape of the nail using this product. It's flexible, it's so hard like a stone, and you will see that results will be amazing. For such paintings, I used to work with acrylic paint, because one stroke nail art technique is better to draw with high pigmented colors, high pigmented paint. For example, I already tried gel paint to create one stroke paintings, but the gel paint it's not so pigmented. You will never have such results with the gel paint. So it's better to order the set of acrylic paint. It's very profitable order. You don't have to pay too much money for this set, and it's long-lasting product, upper than 5 years if you don't leave it on the open sun. And at the end we can cover our nail design with the special top cut. Now we have on shapeofnail.com different types of top cuts. Each one is perfect, but in some cases, for example, if you need the extra gloss effect, you can order extra gloss top cut. For example, if you want to protect nails from pigment, you can choose the care top cut. So there are a lot of different products for this. If you like this nail design, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will try to publish new videos with new nail designs every day for you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.